Hi friends, welcome to another video. This one is just going to be me cleaning out my fridge. My fridge has gotten so bad, dirty and grimy and just overwhelming. I did just recently do the freezer, so I'm not going to do that on this video, but I will show you how horrible this fridge is right now. Like, something spilt on the very bottom, didn't realize it till way later, and it's super difficult to remove, but I do get it off of there. So come along with me while I completely clean this fridge. And another thing that spilled was chocolate syrup all over the place. Not from the bottle that was just in there, but the bottle from before. It got all over the place, and that was what was on the sour cream pouch that I showed very quickly. I'm going to be using this new spray that I got. I did put it in yesterday's video. It was like a mini Walmart shopping spree, and I absolutely love this spray. It smells so good and it works incredibly well. And also I'm going to be using a sponge that I got from Grove Collaborative just to get all this yuck off of here. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running by. And right here I'm talking to my daughter Jaden. You just don't see her in the video, but that's why my mouth is moving a whole bunch. I am really digging this Dawn Power Wash Spray stuff, or Power Foam Spray. I absolutely love it. It works so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I will be buying this again.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah.
We definitely are gonna have to take the trash out after this.
Make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside.
See, on the bottom there's something that's spilt. I'm gonna be using this Dawn spray all over the place in here, and on that spill that's just stuck on there is actually juice, because it is super sticky and hard to get off. So I will be struggling to get it off, but I will get it off, thank goodness.
You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel.
I am so sorry about that light that's just beaming in this video from my fridge. I am so sorry.
Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul.
This is seriously so hard to get off. I promise you guys, I am not gonna let this happen again because for one, it is driving me insane.
Expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
So right here, I'm gonna spray it down some more and then put this hot wet rag on top of it and just let it sit on there for a while because that will just help bring it up. And so I did that and I fast forwarded big time. I took a big clip out of just it sitting there for a while and I wiped it off and it worked, you guys. I am so happy it's finally off of there. Now I'm just gonna spray and then wipe down the fridge one more time.
Ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Oh my goodness, you guys. I got water sprayed everywhere while I was cleaning these. I should have done this in the bathtub. It would have made so much more sense and have so much more room. It would have made a lot less of a mess too. But everything got sprayed down and water got everywhere, but it was all wiped up and everything was clean.
Baby, we should start living now.
All right, you guys, I gotta tell you what happened here. So we had pineapple syrup or toppings for ice cream and it spilt all over that, got sticky, and then we had takeout, the styrofoam box got stuck on it and broke off, and then there was fries, all got stuck. So it took me a while to scrub this off, but I did it and I was so happy because it was so nasty. So I had to share with you guys why oh why that thing was so bad.
So I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing and blink. I can go for some weeping too. Hey baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I tell you everybody's standing in line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's
handing these to Mike after I'm cleaning them because I needed his help to get them back into the fridge. Because of how our fridge is, our door doesn't open like as wide as it should, only because of where like the wall is next to it. So I needed his like expertise to get them back in there. So thank you, Mike.
It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got the DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear, yeah. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants to ride in the water slide. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy.
And stay tuned to the end of this video. I am so excited to share with you guys what I got from Amazon today. Yeah, I ordered it and I was so excited to get it. I love it so much. It is so cute.
You know everybody's looking for a ride in the water.
So much better. I am so happy that I did this today. So this thing of meat I'm going to be cutting up and putting in the freezer, and then all of this stuff is all garbage. So I am so happy to be getting rid of all of this, and yeah, having a nice clean fridge is always nice. Alright you guys, so this is what I got from Amazon today. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Alright, so I have been wanting one of these for a very, very long time, and I'm a huge Disney fan. Like, I love Disney so much. So I got this Minnie Mouse spoon rest for my stovetop. Isn't it so cute? I'm so happy. It was like $12.99 online. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I definitely need more friends, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.
I'm hanging in the sunshine.